Hello friends, welcome to another edition of Java Programming. Today our topic is the difference between equal to relational operator and equals library function, that is a string function equals. Now for this we need to write a program. So let us give a class name called prog 4. So this is the class. Okay, now let us remove the extra things. Now define the main method. Now let me tell you that equals to checks two characters, integers, double values, but they cannot check two strings. So let me show you the working of equal to first. Now let me for this enter two integers. Then you check if A is equal to B, then you print a message. Values are equal. Okay, and then if it is not so, then what will you do? You will just say, I'll just copy this. Values are not equal. So this is what the thing is, and you after this compile. No syntax error. I'm working here with two integers. You can check two characters also, double data type also, float also. It will work with double equal to. Okay, but it will not work with two strings. Right now we are comparing two integers. So compile, close, and you run this main method. It is asking for two integers. Let me give 5 and 5 here. Values are equal. Now let me give two unequal values. Here I give 7 and here I'll give 8. Values are not equal. So clear this. Now let us go to the program and modify this. This time I'm going to enter string data, string A and string B. And how to write equals function? String 1, that is A dot equals have to close this equal here, and this is if is getting closed here. Okay, so here you will say strings are equal, and here you will say what strings are not equal. Compile. Now let us run the program. Now here I'm giving INDIA in small letters. Okay, and here I'm going to give in capital letter. Java is case sensitive, so it should print what? They are not equal. Terminal window is somewhere out here. Strings are not equal. So now let me do what? Clear this, and this time let me run the program with two similar values, India and India. So strings are equal. So I hope you have understood the difference between equal to, which is a relational operator. It checks whether two values are equal or not, and returns a boolean result that is true or false. Whereas equals is a string library function and it checks whether two strings are equal or not, and it is case sensitive. It will differentiate uppercase and lowercase letters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning at the same time. And of course, do subscribe for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.